Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about Introduction to C Programming Language, and this video includes a history of C Programming Language. C is a popular programming language. Do you know why everyone prefer to learn the C language? Because when compared to the other programming languages like C++, Java, Python, .NET, etc., all these are developed based on C language. If we are perfect in C language, then we can easily learn other programming languages, but not compulsory to learn the C language at first. But if we learn C language perfectly, then it is easy to learn other programming languages. Before going to discuss C programming language, we have to know the history of C programming language. Now let us see. For every discovery, there is a history. For example, light, aeroplane, telephone, etc. All are having some history. Similarly, C programming language is also having some history. Now we will see. The first most popular high-level language was ALGOL. ALGOL was introduced in 1916. It is also called as father of programming languages. ALGOL introduced in concept of structured programming. Using this ALGOL, a new programming language CPL was introduced in 1963. CPL stands for Common Programming Language. Using ALGOL and CPL, Martin Richards introduced BCPL language in 1967. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. It was very popular and was used for designing and developing system softwares. Basing on these three, a new programming language was introduced, that is B language by Ken Thompson in 1969 at AT&T Bell Laboratories. So, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson worked together for developing Unix operating system, and for that they introduced the programming language B. Initially, they used PDP-7 as the chipset, but when they are moved onto PDP-11 chipset, this programming language B wasn't utilize all the powerful features of this new chipset. At the time, they thought that to get the improvement in this language. Then Dennis Ritchie improved this programming language B to introduce a new programming language C. So, it is the successor of B programming language. C programming language has the powerful features of all the previous languages and also introduced a new concept, data typing, and also other powerful features in it. C programming language was very popular at that time, and it was also used to write the Unix operating system. Then Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie wrote a book together on C programming language in 1978 by looking at the popularity of the C programming language. Till then, multiple versions of C programming languages was evolved and most of the people were using the older versions. They wanted to standardize this version so that everybody comes in a single page. That's why in 1989 they developed the commercial version of C. This also called as ANSI C. ANSI means American National Standard Institute, which was later approved by ISO, International Standard Organization, in 1919. C has developed with the new features over the time in the next version in 1999 called C99. And till date, most of the features and data types are evolved, and some features that were not working properly, those were corrected in new version of C, introduced in 2011, known as C11. Similarly, in 2018, all the features that were not working find the problems in C language that were cleared and the version 18 was developed. This is the history of C programming language. In this video, if you got something, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more interesting new updates. Thank you.